Welcome back to Friday Crypto. My name is Chase, level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at Chainlink on the Gaussian channel, but primarily the daily chart. We're going to look at some high and low targets, everything in between. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon. Patreon gives you access to a private Telegram group. Today's the last day of the month. Tomorrow, February 1st. Why not try it out for a month? If you like it, if I could save you the money, even in one trade, it's well worth it, right? You can do a lot of learning in that group. I put out many videos, many extra content watchings daily. Those words were difficult. All right, let's get right to it. Chainlink here, right? What the hell do we got going on? Well, facts are the facts. We're putting in lower highs here back since December. Here's our high, lower high close, right? If you put it on closing prices, right? Look at those peaks. Lower, lower. Are we going to do lower again? Or are we going to break that pattern, right? That's all we need to do. Let's break the damn pattern before we start dropping any further, right? So we're looking at our target of 16.15 roughly there, right? For a close. We're just looking at closes. We need to break the damn pattern. That's all we're looking to do. Baby steps, right? That's what we need. First and foremost, on the daily chart, to the high side, we're looking to break 16.16, okay? Easy to remember, right? If we come back down, we'd like to hold these moving averages or the median Gaussian channel. That is around 1480. If we go lower than that, got some little bit of the brakes. The brakes are going to hit you, right? Be prepared. Don't cry. Get your tissues out, right? Maybe already have them out. We're likely going to turn red on the Gaussian channel, okay? Now, no big panic if we do that, right? We've been green for a hell of a long time, okay? So let's put it back on regular prices, right? Don't freak you out. If we turn red, it's not a big panic, right? It's probably due, right? Look at this. We've been green since October, basically October, the first day of October, right? Long time, right? Green. Are we going to turn red? All it takes to turn red is your Gaussian channel to move down slightly. It looks pretty flat right now, right? So if we go down in prices at all, we're probably going to turn red. But last time we turned red, not all doom and gloom, right? Let's look at it. We're still building, right? We're much different than we are now. But just for S&Gs, right when we turned red, our low from there was just right here, or about 10, 11%, right? Underneath the channel. From when we turned red, the lowest low was about 10%, 11% away from it. So let's pretend we're going to turn red today, right? I don't know when that's going to happen. Or even if it will happen, we could just bounce and go to Valhalla tomorrow, right? Great. Then this would likely curve up and, you know, happy ever after. If we turn red, I think that's more likely than not. And we do kind of rhyme with the last time. How far would that get us? Well, I'm glad you asked. It takes us almost right to this pink line. What the hell is that? It's the 200-day moving average. If you can't see it, let me draw a perfectly drawn circle around it. The 200-day moving average is right just shy of $12, around $11.80, right? So that would be our target if we turn red and we start to lose these lows, right? So I would paint this as, right, kind of a zone, right? We're looking at kind of $13 area, right? If we start to close under that, that gets us outside the lower Gaussian channel. Next target, right there. The 200-day. It's a big moving average. It's the biggest moving average that you normally look at on a daily chart, the 200-day. That should hold, hopefully. If it doesn't, we can talk about, you know, the doom and gloom ahead, but that's our target. We don't need to talk about anything else until then, right? Here's also a bunch of chop over here. So maybe we end up wicking down a little bit lower, but closing, right, you generally want to hold that 200-day. After you're in, you know, kind of phase one of the bull market, you start to move down again, any kind of correction, right? That would be kind of the low spot that you want to kind of your see on your asset that you're looking at. So from the top, right, that would be a pretty substantial move down, right? We're looking like close to 30% if we got in that zone from even the high today, right? So not saying that's coming quickly or even coming at all, right? We're just looking at, you know, kind of the worst case spots for Chainlink. If we pick up momentum to the downside, if we turn red, right, we'll, you know, keep you updated with many Chainlink videos throughout the week. So don't panic, right? Again, if you want more content, right, we talk about all this stuff and more, right? No surprises in our private alert group, right? You're going to keep right on top of everything. Okay. So if we move down just to that median zone, right? It's about 4 or 5% that holds that median line on the Gaussian channel, right? And then maybe we start to pick back up again, and then maybe we bounce and take out that 1616. But that's the high side. The low side targets I'm looking at. If we lose 13, focus goes to the 200. If we break 16, right, then we just march back up the stairs, right? Take out that high, then let's take out that high. Let's take out that high, right? So $17 comes for Chainlink. It's higher, right? We're likely going much higher. I would say upper 20s, right? We could look at that when that happens, right? We will show you all kinds of the bullish stuff that you want to see. But until then, right, we're focusing on the day-to-day. This is the daily chart. So this week, those are the targets to be watching for. Hopefully you found that helpful. Let's get to our quote and car of the day. If you aren't fired with enthusiasm, you will be fired with enthusiasm. Pretty good one. All right, quote, car of the day. Hello. It's a new one. It's a different one. Monster trucks. Why not? Why the hell not? I took my 8-year-old son to see this last year. It was the first time he ever been. It's the first time I'd been in over 30 years. I enjoyed it, but awful rednecky. This draws them all out, right? But pretty cool. Right, look at all these. There's like a squid. What was the other one? Dinosaur. Pretty cool. Pretty cool designs. They did flips right in front of us. Got these like pretty good seats here. Cool stuff. All right. Monster truck car of the day. Truck of the day. Is it even a truck though? I mean, you can't even drive them. I would love to drive one, but we'll stop the rambles. It's pretty busy. Look how many people went. All right. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great Wednesday. You're already having a great Wednesday because you got to watch this video, right? You can see the Chainlink neon sign, all the cars, the flowers. I mean, you were here for the flowers for sure. If not, I mean, I got my lighted rock lamp that's not even lighted.